Good morning, guys. I am back in my travel Mickey Mouse or Disney shirt. Not Mickey Mouse, but it is still a Mickey Mouse shirt. But anyways, good morning, guys. We're traveling today. We're going back to Seattle. Today is February 2nd, 2025, and we're leaving. I already got the beds made back up, and Charles and Justin is taking the luggage outside, but we're done. It was fun. We woke up at 8 o'clock. I kind of woke up at 5-ish. The overall thoughts on this hotel. The beds are too soft, but I think that's just personal preference. But I truly feel like this location makes up for the beds not being comfortable. My bed is broke, like the headboard areas broke, so I had to sleep the opposite way, which I'm pretty sure if we would have told them that, we could have just got another hotel room. But once we got our stuff in here, we wipe everything down. We pretty much just want to stay where we are and not move around. But the hotel, I feel like it's great. I mean, okay, so on a scale 1 to 10, I would give it like, man, with hotels, it's like there's so many different levels of the location. I give a 10. The cleanliness, I give a 10. The breakfast, I give a 2. The breakfast was not good. The beds being comfortable, I will give a 2. The carpets being clean inside the room. There are a couple of like toothpaste stains on the floor, so I give that like a 5 out of 10. And the overall like hospitality, like the overall hotel rating, I would give it like a 7. Yeah, I would give it a 7. Like, I wouldn't mark it off the list, but I wouldn't be like, oh man, that was like the best stay, just because the bed and stuff was broke. But we are packing up, and here come the fellas. So I will see you guys on the road. Okay, guys, look what I found at Marshall's. We are on our way back to Seattle, but we stopped at Marshall's and we're gonna get something to eat at a steakhouse. But they have lounge fly bags there, and this one was marked down, and it's a Vader lounge fly bag, and it was marked down to $29. Look at this, 29 bucks. And it's originally like 80 bucks. And if you shop for lounge fly bags, you already know how expensive they can be. They can even go over 80 bucks. But I got it for $29, so that's a pretty good deal. And Justin got these little Spider-Man and Friends figures. So
Gwen,
Miles Morales, Peter Parker, the
Green Goblin,
Rhino. And Charles found a scent that he really likes, but he's gonna try to find one that is a little bit more cleaner ingredients. So we're gonna go to this, it's called the Original Steakhouse. So hopefully it got Texas Roadhouse vibes. The bread is good. I'll let you guys know what my food looked like in a bit, so I'm gonna see you in the restaurant. about 2 hours and 30 minutes driving. So y'all, we are not at the restaurant anymore. We left. The food was good. It sucked because I did have a hair on my sweet potato, so I did not eat any of my food. I just took it, like, I just left it there. I just told her not to charge me for it. But the little bit that I did taste, it was really good. But I wanted to show you guys these trees. I wonder if I can, like, I don't even know if y'all can see how beautiful these trees are. But this whole time they've been saying that we have a weather advisory for snow, but it is so pretty. Like, it's super sunny but cloudy. Justin's here with me.
Hi, Mommy.
Good job, love. I've been trying to get him to understand when I get this camera to not just jump and attack the camera. It's like, just stop, chill out for just a couple seconds. But we will get back to our house at like 3:51, and we're already discussing what we're gonna do for our next adventure.
Yay!
Escapade. Seriously? So wait, you guys, I will probably, this will probably be like the last little video, but we have fun. It's a nice little drive. It's not even, you know, horrible. It's a nice, cool drive. So I'll see you guys on the next adventure. I don't know what we're gonna do yet. We're talking about going to Canada because we do have our passports, y'all. I don't know if I've ever told y'all that. We do have passports because we're planning on starting to do Disney cruises, and you need a passport to get on a Disney cruise. But I think I'm gonna end it here. We had a blast. I hope you guys had a blast watching us and